here at the Richmond Memorial Library in Batavia, New York. And look what we have here. An Otis Lexan, completely original. Otis. No phone. Take it for one more ride. Otis. Catch the classic leveling in the basement. Somebody saw me. Hopefully I don't get thrown out of here. Beautiful fixtures. The indicator works. Wow. There he goes, and that's it.